Patient safety is a regulatory requirement. So all hospitals have to have some sort of mechanism to report their safety events.
We know that submitting a safety event is not everyone's favorite activity, so we try to make it as intuitive and fast as possible, and it won't take away from their job responsibilities.
It's estimated that anywhere between 50 and 86% of incidents that occur in healthcare, safety incidents, are going unreported. And that really leaves hospitals at a disadvantage of really being able to understand what's going on.
Our tool is working with analyzing data to understand what's really happening and then providing that back into the clinical workflow. So in real time, clinicians can respond to potential adverse events or harm to get ahead of it. So clinicians are really empowered to do the right thing at the right time.
It also allows the administrators and the leaders of the organization to utilize our analysis tools, which help aid and facilitate root cause analyses, and has all the documentation for fishbone analysis, timelines, 5 whys, all the bread and butter in the safety world. It's all in VigiLanz.
We have an auto detection feature that electronically identifies adverse events in the background. And I truly believe it is the holy grail of patient safety. You cannot fix what you cannot understand, see, or measure.
When that rule fires, the event is automatically created in our safety product, and it will be automatically routed to the appropriate person for review. So it makes it kind of a seamless process, and hospitals are catching about 40% more events by using our auto detection feature.
But in addition to that, by leveraging the auto population of the event forms, it makes it easier for voluntary reporting as well. And also the ability for the events to automatically get routed after they're reported. And ultimately, the hospitals are able to have that more complete picture of what's going on, and then they can target different initiatives to improve safety in areas where they're having a problem. And at VigiLanz, we really pride ourselves on creating actionable alerts so that when we're putting that alert in front of a clinician, they're able to take that and produce an intervention and improve the care of the patient by getting them on the right medication or whatever the case may be based on what the rule is looking for. We have some of our customers who measure the actionability of our rules, and we're over 50% in many cases, which is far above industry standard when you're talking about clinical decision support. And I think if we can leverage clinical decision support and things like auto detection and put those alerts in front of clinicians in real time, then we could have a much more significant impact on healthcare.
I think it's important for everyone who works in a hospital to feel comfortable reporting events, because that's what we're there for. We're there for patient safety. And if we don't report those events, we'll never be able to get down to what that root cause of the problem was, and we'll never have the ability to improve our processes so that patients don't get hurt again.